4 weekends.
Employee retirement.
I've been taking
What
it.
you're going from, did you take employee retirement?
people who work there, and once they get a certain number of.
I don't think it's pages.
I wasn't making anything.
4 on teachers, it's 6 on employees, so I'm gonna be, bump that to you.
Yeah, and if
That was, yeah.
So I went down to certification.
Yeah, but I'm a higher tier.
So I'm thinking,
As a, yeah,
I go in,
higher
I go to the reception.